glass, the kitchen knows the empty space, and stay silent who you once were.
The letter lies heavy like wet lead on a dead-end table. I carry the years beneath my shirt, and still they eat through me.
And I keep going with scars in the rain, and I don't fall, I'm only learning to stand. Whatever hits me,
I won't give you away. I carry this pain, and I stay that way. The yard is gray, the wind is cold, the stairs are far too narrow. Too often I have wandered in the dark, only speaking my own name.
but every morning pulls me up out of this old grave.
I see the cracks inside myself and learn to live with them.
And I keep going with scars in the rain, and I don't fall, I'm only learning to stand.
Whatever hits me, I won't give you away. I carry this pain, and I stay that way. I cried until there was nothing left, until even defiance burned away. But under rubble and heavy pressure, something remained that knew me.
A little remnant, a pale light hidden in my chest.
It whispers softly, you're still here, so go if you must.